This bucket says coconut pears. Let's see what's in here. Well, I see dug away some coconuts. So let's open this up and see what they look like. Okay, let's take a look at these sparklies. Actually, I'm going to open the big door, get some better light. Okay, hopefully we can see all these. Starting down here is a pair of blocked sunlight. Okay, hold on. Let's try this again. Smoky quartz. I like my Mexican coconuts. What can I say? Now this pair is very unusual. Has these tabs. I don't know what the mineral is, but it's certainly very unique. Guys are just quartz. I'm having a heck of a time with shadows, so hopefully you guys can see all this. This one's amethyst lined. These are all pairs, so far anyway. This one's light amethyst. It's got tiny little spots on everything. I don't know if that shows on camera. I hope it does. But all the crystals have little spots on them, both halves. I'd need a microscope or something to see that. Again, another very light amethyst. Might even qualify as smoky. Another one with tons of little spots. I like my sparklies. What can I say? Way down here, there's some of those little spots, but they didn't carry through on all the others. This guy has a little tiny pocket in the center, but for the most part, it's looks like saginite, then some fortification, then a little quartz pocket. And I have a little, definitely smoky little pair. Then we change gears and go to Utah. Here's some little pairs of dugway nodules. Again, more sparklies. I like my sparklies. This is only a single half. Same with this one. And last but not least, we have another matching pair of doubles. So that's the bucket of labeled as coconut pears, and for the most part it's right. Enjoy. After reviewing the footage of going through these with the sunlight, I noticed there was terrible glare, so I'm going to go back through them with just a normal daylight lamp, and so you can get a better look at them. Again, these are dugway nodules, and then everything else is Mexican coconut. I don't know if this will focus or not, but see those little tiny inclusions? Not sure what they are. And there we go. There's another look at my bucket of coconut pears.